play over here. So Snooky is a Nanday Conure, and we are going to do a DNA blood test on Snooky to see if Snooky is a boy or a girl. Snooky is 15 years old, and my neighbor called me here in Texas and asked if I would like to adopt Snooky. This is what a new bird might do when you first adopt one. You're going to have to give him time to settle in, and then I'm going to ask Snooky to step up, and as you can see, his reaction is going to be, but see, he's not really biting me. And I'm going to keep going. Step up. Oh, good baby. Good baby. Yeah. Such a good boy.
Although my bird room can get crazy and loud at times, this is a typical day where the bird room is pretty calm and quiet after they have had their fresh fruits and veggies.
Look at those colors. The black head. I love the red by the legs. Greens and blues for the Nandays. So pretty. Beautiful tail. So that's the Nanday sound. It can be loud, so if you are sensitive to noises, you're not going to want a Nanday Conure. You hear Tawny? Tawny's talking to you. You look like one of those birds, one of those big fluff balls. So we're going to get Snooky eating some more fruits and vegetables. Tawny, I hear you. I hear you, Tawny. This is Snooky's time. Step up. Good boy. You are so sweet. I'm so happy to welcome you to our flock. Look at that face. This is an exciting new adoption. Nandays are very loud birds, as I mentioned, but very good birds. They're funny, they're smart, they're personable, and of course beautiful. Are you a beauty? So we will update you when we find out if Snooky is a boy or a girl. We're going to send in the test with Kona, the cherry heads test, here next week. I'm pretty sure you're a boy, and we think Kona is a girl. And they actually kind of like each other, so we're going to see if they'll hang out more together when we have them out to play. Yeah, this is the styptic powder that we use, and it looks like that. And this will stop the bleeding. In an emergency situation with a broken blood feather, you could use it. It's not really going to help it because you need to pull the blood feather out if you have a broken blood feather. But this is great for trimming nails is what I use it for. And that way if you accidentally trim it too short, you can put some of this on there. You don't ever want to get this in the bird's eyes or in your eyes because it will sting. So that's what we're going to use for that. And I use just a regular clippers. Is the easiest for a smaller bird. This is what the DNA sample card will look like. So I have put the species is Nanday, the bird ID is Snooky, the owner, Love Your Parrot, and then we already did his because I think it's a boy. And you just put the blood right there. I have a video on my channel that shows how they determine if the bird is a boy or a girl. And you can go back and look in my videos to find that one, and that is on the DNA bird sexing. So there's Snookies. And you can just order these cards. They are of no cost to get the card. And then when you send it in, it's $20 per bird. So species, oh, where are you going, Snooky? Species is, we're going to put cherry head. And bird ID or name, so we're going to put Kona. And love your parrot. Okay, now Kona needs his nails trimmed, so this was a perfect time to do it. I use the gloves because that way, a lot of times their nails, if they're sharp, they'll kind of start digging into my skin. You don't have to use gloves. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to get this ready to go because I'm going to need it for sure since I'm going to be trimming Kona's nail just a little shorter than I normally would. Some people, they have to use a towel. With Kona, we do not because Kona, as you can see, is fairly calm and not freaking out. So if there's any anxiety with your bird, a lot of people, they will cover them with a towel, or with my larger birds, I cover them so they don't see me because otherwise they actually just hate me afterwards. But Kona's pretty resilient and doesn't affect her once her nails, his nails. I can't wait to tell if you're a boy or girl. And Kona, she just isn't really affected by getting her nails done. Clip this one. And there is no blood, but I'm gonna go on to the next one. It's okay, Kona. It's okay, we're gonna just give you a little nail trim. See how I'm trimming off just the ends because you really needed a nail trim. This one, when I pressed on it, it really started coming out. So I'm gonna let that dry. And we're gonna put some styptic powder. There you go. You are so cute. Right, we're gonna give Snooky a shower in the mister. What do you think? Step up. Good baby. This is so relaxing. This is Tangalo that we adopted with Snooky. They have separate cages that they came with. And she is just a joy. Super sweet Sun Conure. Hi, baby. I don't know her exact age. The previous owner had gotten her from a friend, so she did not know her exact age either. And her leg band does not have the hatch year. So she does have an ID band, but it does not show the year she was hatched, which honestly drives me crazy. If you're gonna have a bird leg band put on, it should have the hatch date. To me, that's the purpose of the leg band, along with the identification of where the bird came from. Tangalo. Snooky is loving his shower. It is hot, hot, hot outside, isn't it? Texas weather. We got Texas summer. Hi, Carrot. Hi, Ducky. Oh my gosh, I am just loving this Texas summer weather. You guys gonna be buddies? Kona and Snooky? So we're just introducing them. Look how cute you are. Are you a hot mess?